Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another project throwback makeup tutorial. The star of today's makeup tutorial is this beautiful colored Raine palette. I haven't used this palette in a hot minute, so I thought, you know what, why not try this palette out for today's project throwback video and give you guys a really glam look today. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, I just want to explain quickly what project throwback videos are. They're basically me doing makeup tutorials using some older makeup, because I do want to keep using some of my older makeup products as well instead of just keeping on buying new ones. So if you guys would like to see a tutorial on this makeup look right here, then just keep on watching. Before I go ahead and do the eyes, I'm going to add primer and foundation on. For my primer today, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Hangover RX Primer. This is a great primer for those of you who have dry skin or just in general, like in the winter time. I'm going to use my kabuki brush and just put that all over my face. The scent of this is a coconut scent and it just reminds you of summer basically. It is so nice. For foundation today, I'll use the MAC Face and Body Foundation. I'm in the shade C5. Again, one of my favorite foundations for winter time. It has light to medium coverage, but you can definitely build up this foundation. This foundation is also great for covering up tattoos and stuff like that. But obviously you have to like work with this in layers and probably use like a color correcting underneath, because it is a body foundation as well, so you can definitely use this for the body. Again, this foundation is great for those of you who have dry skin or who want a really nice dewy coverage. Alright, so I'm going to quickly prime my eyes using the Urban Decay Primer Potion in Fix. Alright, so I'm going to zoom in a little bit closer now and we'll get started with the eye makeup. For my eye makeup today, I'm going to be using this beautiful colored Raine palette here. This is the Queen of Hearts palette. See how gorgeous the shades are? You have some of your neutral shades here and then it goes into some deeper shades right here. These shimmer shades are absolutely stunning. I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Royal Provocative and I'll put that all over the crease. Pigmentation of this palette is amazing and I actually haven't used this palette in a hot minute. Like the palette still looks pretty fresh. Going with the shade Duchess in the crease as well and also in the outer third of our eyes. And honestly, the formula of this is like butter. It's so nice. This is actually the only palette that I've ever purchased from Colored Raine, but I definitely want to purchase more palettes in the future. Take a flat brush and go in with this shade right here called Royal Highness and pack that on the mobile lid. Okay, I'm going to use my fingers because that's going to amplify the shimmeriness of this. Use the blending brush and the soft brown shade Royal Prerogative and just blend the harsh edges. Go in with the shade Duchess and intensify the outer corners. Go in with this shade right here called Crown and use that on the brow bone and as well as in the inner corner. I'm going to use my Pixi Beauty liner to draw a wing. I'm struggling today with this pen because it's almost dying on me, this liner. For my mascara today, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Voluminous Butterfly Sculpt. I'm going to be lining my lower lash line with my favorite Bobbi Brown liner. It's Chocolate Truffle. Go back in with the shade Duchess and smoke out the lower lash line. So I'll add on some false lashes and I'll be right back, and then we'll get to finishing out the rest of our face makeup. Alright, so while we let our lash glue to dry, I'm going to go ahead and use the Tarte Amazonian Clay Waterproof 12-Hour Concealer. I haven't used this concealer in a hot minute. I had bought this concealer a while ago, but honestly I never really used it all that much, so I'm not even sure if I like it or not. I'm gonna use my blending brush to blend out. I'm gonna switch to my Real Techniques brush. Doesn't look too bad, so we'll move on to powder. For powder today, I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette. I'm going to use this brightening shade over here. This palette is well loved, guys. I really enjoy this palette. For bronzer today, I'm going to be using this Bahama Mama bronzer from the Balm Cosmetics. Honestly speaking, Balm Cosmetics has been around for a long time and I actually love a few of their products, but lately they've kind of fallen off the radar a little bit. You know, they do have cutesy packaging, but I don't know, with so many brands that are out there right now, I feel like this brand has kind of fallen off the radar, and they're decent in terms of like pricing. What I love about this project throwback video is that I get to rediscover some products that I used to love, so I'm happy I get to reuse them again. Okay, next up is blush. I'm going to be using this Becca Blush Trio Blushed with Light palette. I'm going to be using this shade right here, very pretty coral shade. For highlighter today, I'm going to be using this beautiful Hourglass highlighting trio. Sorry, this is the Strobe Light Ambient palette, and I'm going to be using my Morphe brush for this. Just kind of mix the shades. I love how glowy this palette makes me look. For my lip liner, I'm going to go in with the MAC Mahogany Lip Pencil. For lipstick today, I'll go in with this liquid lip from Jeffree Star Cosmetics called Gemini. Honestly speaking, I don't own many Jeffree Star makeup items, but his liquid lipsticks are some of the best formula that I've come across. So I would highly recommend you guys to check out his liquid lipsticks. I have not really ever played with his eyeshadow palettes or anything like that. Alright guys, so that completes today's project throwback makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button, share, subscribe to my channel so that you can come back here for more good content. Have a great day or night wherever you are, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!